welcome back to my channel. It has been a piping hot minute since I've done a little vlog, so thought I would do one because I have some fun stuff coming up. I'm off to an influencer event. I was ready early so I was able to get some content before, and I'm going to that. We're kicking off an influencer program with a local boutique, so I'm super excited about that. And then work's been busy. I don't even know if I told you guys that I went to Switzerland last minute for work, and it was like amazing. It was a dream come true. I still can't believe I went. So that was like right after we got back from skiing in Colorado. And then Tuesday I leave for Vegas, so I will be getting little snippets of that. It's for work, so I'm not going to be sharing obviously any of that in like during work times and stuff. And then 2 weeks after that we're heading to Florida, so I haven't been to the beach since our honeymoon, so oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So I'll probably get some content then, probably not too much because we'll be with Austin's family, and I don't like to be like bothersome when we're with family and stuff like that. But I will take you along today for our influencer event, and then we'll just see. It'll be fun. Let's go. I'm nervous. I don't like meeting new people. Maybe it'll be good. It's good for me. Okay, I'm trying to be quiet because Austin's taking a nap right above me, which I doubt he can hear me, but whatever. That was fun. It was quick. Got some cute goodies, so thought I would share because, you know, I can't resist. And I told myself I wasn't going to spend like any money because I'll be in Vegas. And you know what? I got the perfect dress for Vegas for work. So, whatever. We can justify. So cute. This is one of my favorite brands for like nice work clothes. It's Bella Doll. And for some reason I can't resist the snake print. It's like really weird of me. Always been like that. Anyways, it's got this high neck with little buttons and like super scrunched waist. It's just like really classy chic. That would be super cute with just like this and some little like kitten heels for the day. Perfect for work, and then I can go to dinner with the work crew after wearing it without having to change, which is always a plus for me. And then receipt, and then some goodies from them. I got this fun little stretch like bamboo bracelet, super cute. Definitely gonna take it to the beach with me. And then I've really been needing just some easy, cheaper, whatever. What am I trying to say? Huggies. Just like little danglies. Can you see them? Ah, there we go. Yeah, super cute. Ding, can't go wrong. So yeah, went out of my comfort zone today a little bit. Good for me. Now I'm home. I'm gonna have a nice coffee, edit the content I shot, and honestly I probably need to start packing. I did all my laundry today, so yeah. Oh my gosh, and I just had to vent this one out with you guys. So I ordered a tote, and if you know me, you know I like little purses, like phone, don't even need a wallet, slip my ID, cards, insurance, whatever, and like a chapstick, key, whatever. That's it, like this big. So what I like, doesn't pull on my shoulders, because I have like bony shoulders. And I guess I can put this up. Anyways, I searched forever to find the perfect tote bag that I could use like for travel and for work. But my requirement was some kind of closure at the top and a cross, like, and a long strap that I could add to it. Took me forever. I was about to spend a ton of money on one, and then I found one on And Other Stories, which I love their stuff. I don't buy from them very often just because I just don't think about it very often. But we went in New York and I was like, I could spend hours here. But anyways, I found the perfect purse, and this was on Memorial Day. And I'm leaving for Vegas the Tuesday after Memorial, like a week, and then this Tuesday. So this was like a week ago tomorrow. Anyways, I don't pay for fast shipping. Never in my life have I done that. Because, you know, if I gotta pay for shipping, I'll just go shopping. And I paid for the express shipping so it'll be here. Because I like screwed around. I was like, it's Monday. Shipping's gonna be backed up. Paid for the fast shipping. Well, 3 days went by and they still hadn't shipped it. Go me. So on Thursday I got a thing saying it would be here Tuesday. I won't be here Tuesday. Well, I will, but I'm leaving. My flight's at 8 a.m. So cool. Anyways, the next day, Friday morning, I got an email saying updated delivery. It will be here Saturday. Guess what? It's Sunday. My purse still isn't here. The tracking won't update. Now I'm like, have they lost it? Why? I'm a good fan of FedEx and USPS. UPS just doesn't quite have it. So I don't know what to do. If it gets here, should I just look in Vegas and have a splurge? Or not get one at all? Or return the one I want? I don't even know if I want it yet. That's what's annoying. I wanted to get here so I knew if I wanted it. Anyways, end of the rant. I'm gonna go make some